How to remove Linux from dual boot in Windows. So let's get started. Before doing anything, plug a USB drive you want to use for recovery into your PC, then open the Windows 11 Start menu and search for the recovery drive. Then click the top result for create a recovery drive, then choose your USB drive. After that, check the box for backup system files to the recovery drive and allow Windows to load the files needed, and choose the USB drive and click next, then click create and wait for the installation to complete. Now the next step is vital. Boot into Windows 11 like you normally would and log out of your account and get to the lock screen. Then on the recovery screen, go to troubleshoot advanced option UEFI firmware settings. Then navigate to the authentication, boot or security tab in your BIOS. Once in the BIOS, under the boot menu, drag and move drive Windows Boot Manager up to the first boot option. This will make your PC boot right back into Windows, avoiding grub and Linux. Next, you can delete any Linux partitions from your Windows PC. Open the Windows 11 Start menu, then search for the disk partition. Then choose the option to create and format hard disk partitions and find your active Linux partitions using these steps we mentioned here. There will usually be three, one for swap, root and home, and you will know which is which based on the size you set up during initial installation. Then right click on each one and choose delete volume and click yes. Once all Linux partitions are deleted, right click on the newly created free space. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.